I wrote the song about borrowing a car from my friend Harry. Find it even harder looking forward to tomorrow. I was on the way to Harry's with the car he let me borrow. Knowing that it's over is a pill that's hard to swallow. It's a long road, lot of potholes. I'll tell it how it is, cause I can tell you how it isn't. It's not some cry for help, it's just some ordinary living. I'm still looking like myself, it's just a little part is missing. It's a long road, lot of potholes. Sitting down for a minute, I just need a little time. Finding what it is that I did. Was there something in my eyes? Lying low, was there something that I didn't show? Was there something that I didn't